There's a cool line right here too. You see where everybody scrapes there?
Yeah.
So you gotta ride the fine line between dropping off here and dropping off there, kinda, eh? True, true. You're good though, man. You're good. You got that fucking spring under. Doesn't do too bad. I saw you lift the tire a couple times already though. Dave's a fucking wild man today. Mossy, slip, slip. Yeah. Slippery, Dave.
Stop there, Dave? Whoa. Trey. You're gonna drop into a little
gully. Yeah. Fuck, I wasn't even pointing the camera at him. This is slippery, man. Driver, our passenger. Perfect. You could, once you get up. Okay. You're gonna be so famous, it's not even funny. Turn straight, straighten your wheels, Dave. Yeah, now back, perfect. Right there is good if you're gonna try again. Oh, you're going down now?